Hey guys, so we've just pulled into Elim Beach Campground. We've come today from Cape Trib up over the Bloomfield track, and then tomorrow we will head to Coloured Sands and then into Lakefield National Park. See you then. So I'm just climbing one of the sand dunes, and it's a lot higher than it looks. Right, onwards. Driving through Lakefield National Park on Battle Camp Road, and there's a bit of backburning happening, so visibility is pretty average at the moment. Combine the smoke and the dust, and we're taking it pretty steady. So this is the old Laura homestead on Battle Camp Road in Lakefield National Park.
Check out the size of this termite mound. There's Andrew, for comparison purposes only. Morning guys, so we just left our campsite from Sweetwater Lake. We're heading down the road to Musgrave, probably fill up with some fuel, and then continue on to Weipa today. So hopefully it's a good day, but it's probably just going to be a lot of driving.
So we just left Cohen, heading north to Archer River, and then groceries, and then we continued on north. We're heading up to Pennyfather Beach, where we're going to camp for the night. We haven't done a lot of recording today. This has been mostly a driving day and lots of dirt roads, but we'll see you at camp. Hey guys, so we've just come down a sort of a beach track, and we're sitting behind a dune which we're going to try and get over, but the sand's pretty soft, so we're just going to let the tyres down a little bit more. We've been running on most of the drone today at 30 psi, but we're going to go down to 18. So I've preset these tyre deflators to 18, so we're just going to screw them on and they'll stop when they're done, and we'll go and get the other one going. Hey guys, so we've made it to Pennyfather Beach, just out of Weipa. It was a bit of a trek in with some soft sand and some beach driving, but we've made it, and we're just in time for sunset.
Tomorrow we're heading off to Bramble Station and then on to the Telegraph track. Can't wait, stay tuned.